In 24 we'll see it hit the streets. Audi e-tron GT that sets new feats. Electric dreams in a four-door guise. Performance and design will rise. Sporty elegance with an electric heartbeat. Innovations where we all meet. A black mass grille takes the stage. The e-tron GT is turning a new page. GT is the perfect link. Air suspension for ride, control so fine. Comfort and sportiness intertwine. Active ride system takes its stance. Counteracting roll with a dance. Interior's design is pure class. Wooden inlays that will amaze you. Sustainable materials we embrace in the e-tron GT's electric space. Electric power will start so grand. Audi's masterpiece at hand. From sleek seats to a massage function. RS models of pure expression. With the native finishes that shine bright. Illuminated logos in the night. E-tron GT takes us on this ride. Audi's electrifying worldwide. The e-tron family grows strong and bold. Audi's masterpiece at hand. From sleek seats to a massage function. The RS models of pure expression. With the native finishes that shine bright. Illuminated logos in the night. E-tron GT takes us on this ride. And Audi's electrifying worldwide. Grow strong and bold as models to RS versions told. A threefold lineup that we adore. Electric performance forevermore. So here's the anthem for Audi's new star. E-tron GT electrifying from afar. From 24 onwards it will soar high. A masterpiece under electric sky. In 24, the Audi e-tron's debut. An electrifying masterpiece to review. With design and tech that'll leave you in awe. The future of driving, it starts now. So here we sing for this electric dream. A hit song so bright under the gleam of Audi's e-tron GT. Take flight tonight. Electrifying masterpiece to delight. Into here's the anthem for Audi's new star. E-tron GT electrifying from afar. From 24 onwards it will soar high. A masterpiece under electric sky. So here's the anthem for Audi's new star. E-tron GT electrifying from afar. From 24 onwards it will soar high. A masterpiece under electric sky. So here we sing for this electric dream. A masterpiece that will always gleam. E-tron GT, the hit song so bright. Electric power taking flight tonight.